How to download and install Rust on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first, go to the Play Store application and search for Rust application on the search bar. Then you can see the application, then tap on install and it will get installed on your device via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure that the internet connection is stable while you're downloading and installing this application. Now it may take a while depending upon the connection that the device has. Now it is installing. You just have to wait a little bit and it will be downloaded. Now after that, just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of Rust. Now just wait for a while. And over here you can just log in with Steam or just tap on login with Steam. For that you need a Steam account as well. Just create an account and you can enter with Steam account as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.